So I just got home here. It's about 11 o'clock. And we were just walking in the door. And to our surprise, what do you know? I told you, stay off my stuff when I'm gone, man. And look at you. Always in trouble. Look at that. Beer, Xbox, talking on their Xbox Live. You bad dog. Look at that face. He knows what's up. We're in big trouble. Look at that. What do you have to say for yourself? Huh? Are you embarrassed? Are you sorry? Shake on it. Look, I got cheese. You want some cheese? Does that make it better? Did you win at least?
I feel a lot better if you open my freaking beer.
Open my beer. Open my beer for me and turn the TV up so I can play my games. Look at you. We're even watching TV. He's like, don't distract me. I'm watching the TV. Ranger, you are trouble. Can't leave you home for even 30 minutes.